been busy and this is a very late upload, but this was recorded towards the end of January, and I have a little over a month or so until baby number 2 is here. My due date is March 15th, so we're just waiting for her arrival. I haven't been making any products or progress toward my small business since I've been in my mommy cleaning mode of constantly cleaning, organizing, and getting everything ready for her arrival. Today we're putting Stella's book back together. She loves this book so much that it was used a lot and it got torn apart. I usually like giving her books that are thicker, like the cardboard thick type of books, so when she turns the pages it doesn't easily rip. But since this book has animal sounds when you press the buttons on the side, she likes to read and interact with this book more. There were a lot of pages missing that she just didn't bother to open the book up anymore and just pressed the animals on the side to hear the name and the sound each animal would make. I've been holding the ripped pages on the side each time a page got ripped out, just so she doesn't rip it even more or lose it. I'm not an expert at putting books back together, but I'm just gonna tape it back up the best I can and hope for the best like any mom would do. While I was putting her book back together, she likes to sit at the table with me and take out all my markers and pens, which I constantly have to put it back into their original spots. I learned that having kids, they do test your patience at times, but it also teaches you that it's okay because they're always little curious things and you just have to learn to be patient and try to understand what they're thinking as well. So I learned to just let her do her thing. Since she loves to color, she was just taking out all the markers and pens out to use to color on her drawing pad. Stella's been learning her colors, so she was also saying her colors as she was taking all the markers out as well. I finished taping all the pages together just to find out I was missing one page, which I did find it later on the floor in our room because it fell behind the dresser. I cleaned up the marker for the 100th time and just had her play with my Capsule gumball machine. I was influenced by TikTok to buy the Capsule machine, which apparently everyone was buying it and it was exclusive at Target only for $30 and you couldn't find it anywhere else, and since I couldn't find it, I decided to buy it from a reseller online, which is never the best option. But since I convinced myself I needed it, which I just wanted it, I paid $70 for a plastic non-coin capsule machine that TikTok told me I needed for my small business. Do I regret it? Yes and no. Yes, because the price I ended up paying for it, but no, because if I don't use it for my small business, like TikTok small businesses are telling me that I needed it, then my daughter can have it and play with it instead. Which is what we ended up doing with it, as you can see. We were putting the Disney Adorable characters in them and guessing what was inside. She's been really into opening surprise eggs on YouTube, where they open Easter eggs and guess what's inside, so that's what we were doing for a while. Stella was done playing with the capsule machine, and I needed to count to see how many pens and what colors I had left in stock from my small business. These are all the empty pens I have left that I haven't used yet. And of course I have to include my coworker in training to double check my color and quantity, all while putting it into one single pile for her to mix. I just used notes on my iPhone to write down how many of what color I had left.
One, two, three. There's three blacks. There are three blacks. Okay, one, two, what is that? Okay, we have one, two baby colors. We have one light blue. We have one brown. We have one. Four, what is that? Green blue. Okay, let's go. What is red? One, two, three, four. There's four red. Okay, what's next? Something black. Right? Six silver. No, I like that. Six silver. We have one, two, three, four, five yellow. We have one, four gold. Okay, we need one green. Okay, one rose gold. Okay. One rose gold. Wait, we're done. Wait, one, two, three pink. Yeah, three pink. Wait, we have one, two, three, four, five whites. Here we go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10 light browns. Yeah. Okay, well done. Okay, you go back. Go in. Stop in. Thank you.
She did try to help, I'll give her that, but I did have to give her my phone to draw her attention away for a bit while I organized the pens by color to put it away for another time, or she would have continued to help me disorganize it even more. It always amazes me how fast they learn to use technology. When she's on the phone or her tablet, I like to watch her YouTube Kids shorts and how she scrolls through them, because it gives me an idea of their attention span and how they like or dislike videos. Sometimes I see her accidentally click the like or dislike button and then unclick it again because she accidentally clicked it. So whenever I see someone dislike my own videos or shorts, I just think of my daughter accidentally clicking the dislike button. It doesn't affect me when people dislike my videos anymore. If you ever wonder why people dislike your videos, it's because they just accidentally click the dislike button on accident. Stella wanted to play some more surprise eggs again, so we're ending the vlog here to play some more before making dinner. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.